Thanks for checking out another clip of the Cashflow Contractor. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. Click subscribe wherever you get your podcast.
What is Profit First? Essentially, if you're familiar with Dave Ramsey and the envelope system, it's a way of managing your cash. So if you are ever wondering where your cash is and how much cash you need on a week-to-week basis, this is a really great tool. It will help you with overspending primarily and understanding what you can spend without having to generate a cash flow report or a cash flow forecast or really look at your books in deep detail. So a really good litmus test for this is if you just look at your bank account as your financial planning, this is a much better way of doing it so that you don't run into trouble. So essentially the way that this is going to work is that you're going to have several different accounts. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your bank account, and you can likely do this through your bank app, but essentially you just create, it could be multiples more than this, but at minimum, you want to have an income account, an operating expenses account, a tax account, a profit account, and an owner's compensation account. So those will be the prime ones that you will use every single week inside of your business. Likely you only have a checking and a savings account right now. Your checking account is going to become your operating expenses account. And that's where you will do a majority of the things expenditure-wise. So just convert your checking and change the name to operating expenses. Really, no money should be coming into this account unless it's being a transfer from the income account. All money should be coming out of this. And essentially the way it works is anytime you send invoices, anytime you collect checks, all of the income will go into one account, your income account. So you should only see positive numbers in your income account as well as transfers out. So just as, the envelope system in Dave Ramsey, you take your paycheck and then you basically put a percentage of money into this envelope, this envelope, this envelope. And one is for groceries, one's for activities, one's for, children, whatever it is. You do the same thing for your business. So create those 5 accounts. You can do all those things right here. And then out of your income, you'll transfer to OpEx, to tax, to profit, to owner's compensation. You may be asking yourself, well, how much do I transfer? And that's what we're going to get into in this next phase of the Profit First analysis spreadsheet. So under TAPS, this tab under here, that stands for target allocation percentages. And essentially, depending on the size of your real revenue. Now, real revenue means gross revenue. So you have your top line revenue, and then whatever you minus cost of goods sold, what you pay your subs, what you pay for materials, you minus all that out, and that is your real revenue. So if you're doing between 0 and 250 in real revenue or gross profit, then you'll follow these percentages right here, and so on and so forth as you go through. If you aren't sure, then you can use these identifiers at the bottom. If you're typically just you and one employee, then you're likely in this first column. If you have employees and a really good CRM, then you're likely in this column. If you are spending money on advertising, then you're likely in this column. If you are building out systems and they are crucial to your business right now and people are following those religiously, you're likely in this column. If you have a second tier of management, like it's you as the owner and then you have a management team below you, you're likely in this stage. And then, above that, you are pretty stable and you have predictable growth year to year. Not just predictable revenue, but predictable growth. Hey, I know we're going to grow about 15% this year. Then you're likely in this stage. So those are the other identifiers that you can use if you're not sure on your real revenue right now. So first thing you do is you identify what these are. Let's just say that you are in this 500K to 1 million in gross profit. So your profit percentage, your TAP, your target allocation percentage for profit is 15%. For owner's pay, 20%. Tax 15, and then operating expenses 50, right?
Thanks for checking out a clip from the Cashflow Contractor. We have full episodes where we go deep on topics that help you grow a construction business that runs without you so you can have less stress, more time, more money. Now, We've got other videos, other clips, but if you want to check out the full episode for this clip, you can click wherever our editor put it. It might be here, it might be there, it might be over my face, I don't know. But thank you for checking us out. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. So subscribe or check out a full episode wherever you get podcasts.